The next divine name is Al-Hadi, which means the guide. Allah, the Exalted, is the one who guides His servants to what is beneficial for them in both worlds, and guides them away from anything which harms them. Chapter 91 Ash-Shams, verse 8.
And inspired it with discernment of its wickedness and its righteousness.
The Muslim who understands this divine name will seek guidance in worldly and religious matters from none other than Allah, the Exalted, through the teachings of the Holy Quran and the traditions of the Holy Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him. Whoever seeks guidance from anything else will not find lasting success. A Muslim should act on this divine name by guiding others towards the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, and what is beneficial to them in both worldly and religious matters according to their knowledge. This will ensure they become a true believer, meaning the one who loves for others what they desire for themselves. This has been advised in a narration found in Jami at Tirmidhi, number 2515. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.